Jotono lamchuk so rajahani khupo channel dekhani mokhe dopin chongpring se Mizoram Assam Tripura Manipur Indian phatar to nai Bangla haktor Myanmar haktor joto kobru khupo nai soi tone rono tinima sir mokhe bosi Manipur hathe wo taw khata wo phono hamlai Maiya kho ongye Kuki community rokhe hasak saka wo tongpayo akhe Manipuri hine rokhe bale hasmai yo tongpayo abodi khiye bang brang ma jaga ro phono tini hasmai khawai ha tola khawai Kuki ro bera payen brang ma thang ha akhe abo mang phothau phi ya yese tini yo bosu gothona be thakyong lai thangmo aboni ba pandawo tini yo brang le jati bai ha ke jati no Maiya do phano Maiya chamoni ba yese MP MLA ro phono bari ke jati ni ba pandawo khasai kau samayo akhe tinio samake bo MP ke ha samo kau se nang no ang phung ni chongnai bo MP samo make jang we ke bo ya khai no jang ke Kuki ro tungmo brane bondari song ha akhe jang ke Manipuri himo Maite himo abo Manipuri ro tungmo brang bodikhe ha Aroi simana bodikhang le thami borokhe bu jangni jungil mthu borwo khiye duiti boro nai sopaye tongo jani pho himodikhe bodikhe boro abo jungil ro nai songo brang arekhe pho jamatang hariya abodikhe se aro bondari kailei mo khiya bo ya khayose brang bodikhe ma tonglai pekho tiri zora pho hamlai maimo ongya kho ake sok ongya tongwarim bo ye bangma jaga ro pho se thangmaya hingmaya khe tui lama akhe gari ni lama boro phono ongpaye tongo jangpho bodikhe se tini krungye pho hamlaya ongya tongo chongsio skanglai thane bangma ro sat e phono nangya Manipur wa sukhe tongpla thangmo boni yak go tini bosi saisino bosi kholphe dukmawo phono brang tini krung phono hamlai mo phono kriko akhe central ni sarkar phono tinio sarkar tu ye tongne ro phono thang ye phono naya akhe abonon tu ye moha phono saya ke ongya laithan ma brani MP ro phono lok sabha sangsad achok lai thingyo aro parliament ro phono boni tu ro ye kaube thake sawo abo MP no tinio boya khrani simana onglai tongmono phobung ba chaye bong sasak no srai ke sakho ye tomono chong nalaina
भी मारपीट बहुत हुआ है इस देश में, लेकिन इस तरह का बफर जोन किसी जगह पे नहीं बनाया. And I'm so ashamed of myself to sit in that house as a member of parliament that even I cannot go to this side because this is India Kuki border. This is Manipur, where Manipur police works, where MP like me from Manipur can walk freely. Here I cannot walk freely, despite the huge presence of security forces. And the rest of the country can't sleep like this. The more people feel alienated and if they take a decision, don't call people of Manipur as anti-India. You're working against the constitution itself. I'm a member of parliament. I cannot move freely this side. These are all our troops. I'm also protected by CRPF. मेरा सुरक्षा CRPF से है मेरा, क्योंकि मैं MP हूँ इस देश का, फिर भी मैं नहीं जा सकता अपने देश में. मेरा खुद के स्टेट में I can't go, and this should be remembered. And I'm just talking to you because some people sitting in Delhi will not understand this feeling and issue Manipur as if it doesn't exist. Let's not do this drama. Finish this buffer zone. Whoever responsible, Mr. Amit Shah, you must understand this. Whether Modi ji should also understand this. You are dividing this place, my own home state, by putting this illegal buffer zone. And I'm sending this message to the rest of the country. I'm right here. You ask, talk to that officer. I say, मैं जा सकता हूँ नहीं ना, नहीं जा सकता है ना, है ना? ये बंदोबस्त करके रखा हुआ है सब. देखो, इस देश के MP को रुकाने के लिए इधर रखा हुआ है सब, और ये तिरंगा चढ़ा रहे हैं. यही हालत है मणिपुर का. 2.5 साल से चल रही है। ये बेचारा, these people are forced to do this illegal activities. These are professional soldiers and policemen. They have been forced to behave like this by vested interest political parties. This is not done. When we try to put it up in parliament, buffer zone, these are terms which is used in international conflict, not within the state.
Kaksaha joto no rajahani kupo channel by kia nang ta angke subscribe kidi bo channel by trek kuni tonde buskam biduk ta mai sanen ba pandawa.